How to unsend mail in Gmail. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So let's say you have sent a wrong email to a wrong person. So if you want to take precautions in the future, so you have to go for these settings of your Gmail account. Once you are here, go for the see all settings, and this will load up a new window where you have to go for the general tab. Now once you are here, as you can see, undo send, you have to send this send cancellation period timing, which should be 30 seconds. So whenever you send a new email to a person, this will give you 30 seconds to undo that particular email. So let me show you how this will work. Now as you can see, I have sent the email, and on the bottom left corner, as you can see, message sent, and it's also giving me an undo option. So now if I click on this undo option, as you can see, it has unsent that particular message and place it in my draft. So yeah, that's how basically you can unsend mail in Gmail.